Hi everyone, Cliff Baldridge here, SBARTSTV, Santa Barbara Arts TV, and we were CES, the Consumer Electronics Show Media. We just came back from the Augmented World Expo, the Augmented Reality World, and we're going to SIGGRAPH, the computer graphics convention, and we just got this new device. It's amazing, and it's called the AiScan O1, and they're doing a Kickstarter campaign. And I'm one of the only persons in the world to have this device. It just came from China, and it's beautiful. It's right here. It was just manufactured, a prototype that they're doing a Kickstarter campaign. It's the AiScan O1 3D Gaussian all-in-one 3D scanner right here. It's a handheld 3D scanner, and it does Gaussian, basically Gaussian splats. So what that is, 3D Gaussian splats. Conventional scanners reconstruct triangular meshes with UV mapped textures. So 3D Gaussian splatting, 3DGS, is a different representation. Instead of polygon surfaces, 3DGS encodes a scene as a collection of orientated 3D Gaussian primitives, each carrying position, covariance, color, and opacity. The result is a continuous, differentiable representation that captures how light actually interacts with materials. So what this means in practice is that fur and hair renders as individual strands and not blobby geometry. Fabric shows as weave textures and drapes, not painted on patterns. Reflective and translucent surfaces behave optically correct, and output is visually indistinguishable from a photograph at viewing distance. It's been very well engineered with dual cameras, the memes, the blue light, the 2.5 hours of capture, and it has the AI scanning mode. It's just really a beautiful unit with the color touch screen on the back. So it's a whole computer in itself. So I would highly recommend you check out the Kickstarter, and I'm going to be making a series of videos. It also comes with a whole accessory kit with, so this is the first unboxing that I'm doing, with all the things you need: a 3D printed model that we're going to test with it, and then also a rotating stand so I can take objects and then I can actually use the rotating stand. And then there's a tripod that comes with it. So they pretty much thought everything out. There's a case, a strap for the case. We can put the camera in the case. We have a stand, and we have a test model. So we're going to be able to test the whole project out here, and then you can go and get it on the Kickstarter. So we're going to test everything out, and the Kickstarter runs up until mid-July. So let's test everything out, and there's another YouTuber that's tested it out to show that it's all working and verified. But we're really excited, and we're going to bring it to SIGGRAPH because we're media for SIGGRAPH, and we're interviewing a great PhD in China that's doing Gaussian splats and has a paper on that. So we're real excited about that. So we have one of the first units in the world of the AiScan O1. It feels really comfortable in the hand. We'll be able to scan people in 3D in the point cloud and in different meshes, and then output them in different regular traditional mesh, and also in the Gaussian splats, also with an AI mode. So I'm very excited that we have this, the AiScan O1, which is a reasonably priced 3D scanner. So take a look at the Kickstarter in the description, and look at this. This is extremely powerful, and it's really like nothing you could ever get you know, that would be thousands and thousands of dollars. And you couldn't do this like on your regular phone because it has dual cameras and everything. And we're going right into SIGGRAPH, and we just finished Augmented World Expo. We're going right into SIGGRAPH. So this is what many people in virtual reality, augmented reality, and in SIGGRAPH would want to do 3D modeling and a Gaussian splats, because they could do this with this small little handheld camera in their pocket. So I'm going to test this, and we just got it today in the office, and this is the first unboxing, and we're only one of a handful of people in America and the world that have just received this. And then the next day we're going to basically set it up and scan it, but I have to charge it. All right, so check out the Kickstarter. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. Thanks.